Hey, what's up everybody? Mike Meyer here, and we're gonna talk about the mod upper control arm. Not the mod 1, not the mod 2, but the mod arm. The mod arm is intended to be a stock replacement of the original arm. It's a really great piece for the guy just starting out, doing some of his first things to his old school, and he wants something that's gonna be a big bang for the buck. It's gonna make him feel good, and it's not gonna take him a year to do. So what this mod arm does, like I said, it replaces the original arm, but it does a couple of important things. What this does is it modifies your alignment quite a bit, and it really helps the car drive straight, track well, and feel good. And how it does that is we adjust the caster in the arm. We move the ball joint back, and what this does, it gets the wheels to return to center at highway speeds. It also improves the turn-in geometry. So when you're carving the back roads, it really helps the feel of the front of the car grip up. The other thing we do is we move the spring saddle out towards the ball joint. What this does, this gets the car to respond over bumps better, and it gets the car to respond when you turn the wheel without making it too stiff with the spring and shock. It just improves how well those shocks and springs that you do have are functioning. The other thing we do is we take our upper control arm shaft kit. This shaft kit is super rad. It's got large, oversized, wearable Delrin bushings that we make. It's a self-lubricating Delrin bushing, and it really makes that arm move fluid compared to the old steel on steel pivot points of the original arm. The other thing is if you want to service this arm, it's just 2 Allen bolts that come out. It's nothing crazy. You don't need crazy tools, but this shaft kit's going to last you a long time. The other thing that's really great about this arm is since we really like doing the Shelby drop, we've realigned the ball joint so it accommodates for that new geometry. So just in the mod arm, you're gaining shock and spring control, you're gaining ball joint angle, you're going to improve the geometry with the Shelby drop, you're getting more caster, and the serviceability of the components in this arm are awesome. So when you're looking at doing an early upgrade, that's just going to be rad. It's going to let you go down the highway with one arm on your door and the other around your girl. This is going to be something that's going to really enable you to get that first step done in a solid way. Check out the Mod Control Arm by Mike Meyer Inc. for your early model Mustang. Thanks a bunch for checking us out. Have a great day.